Happy eternal now and welcome to Hamind Mu'ar, the mind illuminated. In this channel we'll be training the mind through meditation with the explicit and unapologetic intention of reaching the ultimate goal of the spiritual practice, permanent and complete liberation from all suffering, also known as awakening or enlightenment. To reach this noble destination we'll be climbing together up the elephant path, a detailed map dividing the process of training the mind into 10 distinct stages, starting from the point of never having meditated before all the way up to awakening and the end of suffering. The process is simple, logical, science-based, and achievable by anybody, not just a handful of special holy spiritual few. It is also quite quick. There's no need to spend years of isolation up in a cave somewhere in Tibet. Practice diligently while still living your life and you'll be able to complete the path in a reasonable period of time, 2 to 4 years on average. Training the mind is not much different than training the body. If you believe that lifting weights will make you stronger and that stretching will increase your flexibility, then trust that well-structured meditation will make your suffering a thing of the past. Sounds like a journey you'd like to take? Please subscribe to this channel, click the bell button, visit our website, and let's go. Go beyond, go completely beyond to enlightenment.